What is mechanical engineering?
Mechanical engineering is the discipline that applies the principle of engineering, physics and material science for the design, analysis, manufacturing and maintenance of mechanical system. It is the branch of engineering that involves the design, production and operation of machinery and tools.
What is the difference between technology and engineering?
Engineering is application of science. Technology shows various methods of engineering. A breeze can be made by using beams to bear the load or the hanging in a cable. All shows different technology but come under civil engineering, and science applies laws of force on load distribution.
What is the difference between speed and economic speed?
The rated speed tell us about the maximum speed, which can be achieved by a vehicle or some other machine. But the economical speed means the speed limit at which the machine work efficiently with less consumption of oil.
What causes hardness in steel? How heat treatment alters properties of steel?
The shape and distribution of the carbide in the iron determines the hardness of the steel. Carbides can be dissolved in austenitic is the basis of the heat treatment of steel. Steel is heated above the critical temperature of dissolve all the carbides, and then cooled, suitable cooling. Though the cooling range will reduce the desired size and distribution of carbides in the ferrite, imparting different properties.
What is the difference between isotropic and anisotropic materials?
If material exhibits same mechanical property, regardless of loading direction, it is isotropic. For example, homogeneous cast material. If material lacking this property are anisotropic.
What is orthotropic material?
It is a special class of anisotropic materials, which can be described by giving their properties in three perpendicular direction. For example, wood composites.
What is view factor?
View factor is dependent upon geometry of the two surface exchanging radiation.
Explain difference between fissile and fertile materials.
The materials which can give molecular fission, for example U35, Pu39, U33, are fissile materials. Fertile material itself is not fissionable, but it can be converted to a fashionable material by a radiation of neutrons in a nuclear reactor.
Mention two types of dislocations.
Dislocation refers to a break in the continuity of the lattice. In edge dislocation, on plane of atom gets squeezed out. In screw dislocation, the lattice atoms move from their regular ideal position.
What is powder technology?
Powder technology is one of the ways of making bearing material. It is the method metals like bronze, aluminum, iron are mixed and compressed to make an alloy.